Are you having problems with your computer and you don't know what to do or where to go? Hi, my name is Richard Owen and I'm the shop manager for Systems and Solutions. If you're having issues with your computer, don't worry. You can bring your machine down to our shop, whether it be a laptop or a full desktop system, and we will take a look. We'll do a preliminary check of the problems you are having when you arrive. If the problem needs a more thorough investigation, we'll book the computer into our workshop. We book our jobs usually with a 3-day turnaround, so if you came in on a Monday, you can expect your machine to be looked at on a Thursday, or you could pre-book with us as well. And for most people this is fantastic. However, should you have a bit more urgency, you can book your computer in for an express repair. And what this means is we'll look at your computer the same day and where possible fix that issue that day as well. And this is ideal for people who have an issue but don't have any time to waste in getting it resolved as quickly as possible. You won't need to chase us. On the day your computer is due to be worked on, we will give you a call with an update of what we have found. And we have a policy of never an unexpected bill. We will always talk to you before we proceed with anything. So call us on 01993 706 161 and we can get you booked in. Thank you.